The fastest, most powerful, and fully automated way to manage all of your volunteer program and events through Salesforce. And it's very easy to set up. This is a quick tutorial of how to do that and some of the features you'll get out of the integration. First thing you want to do is make sure that the Golden user you're going to use to authenticate with Salesforce is approved for the Golden app as a user on Salesforce. And to do that, just go to Home, search for users, go in here and make sure that you've added the correct email address for the user. Then for that user, go into your Golden dashboard, dashboard.goldenvolunteer.com, and then in your settings, under integrations, you'll find Salesforce and click integrate. When this happens, just give the Salesforce app with Golden the permissions it'll need by hitting allow. And from there, you'll have your Salesforce app all dialed in. So if you, within the Golden app in Salesforce, go to contacts, you will see everybody who's ever volunteered or signed up for an event with you, whether it's in person or virtual, through the Golden application. And in here, you'll have full details for that volunteer, including their phone numbers, email addresses, birthdays, demographic information, zip codes, how many hours they've done, how many sessions they've done, whether or not they've done a background check and the status of that background check, and waivers, etc. All fully in here. You never have to enter this data by hand ever again. And just to be sure, you can go into your settings for the Golden app and configure deduplication however you prefer. So you can have Golden automatically deduplicate records, meaning if it detects somebody with the same email address already in your system, it'll merge the records. And if it detects a merged record, it can also update cell phone numbers, email addresses, etc. with data from Golden, as the volunteers on Golden or end user of the Golden products typically may update their information on their own. You can take advantage of that and enrich your contacts records and opportunity records just by hitting the switch. And you can also see all of the data about your volunteer opportunity time slots. On any of these menus, just make sure that you click the drop down in the upper left-hand corner and go to the related Golden option. So here you can see every time slot that you've ever listed, whether it's upcoming or completed through Golden, how many hours it logged, how many volunteers came, etc. Similar for registrations, just do the drop down to Golden Volunteer Registrations, and you can see who missed, who completed, etc. Value of volunteer time according to that hosting state's local official tax value of volunteer time, and the hours that were completed. You can also get a quick overview of how your program's doing by going to the status tab. In here you can see totals for your number of volunteers, opportunities, completed sessions, hours, volunteer time, etc. Of course, for full reporting, you can just pop over to your Golden dashboard to see the insights. And that's a great quick overview. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult this user guide at goldenvolunteer.com/salesforce/salesforce-post-install, or just email support@goldenvolunteer for 24/7 service. Thanks and enjoy.